So we're still gonna try and figure out how to get across this thing here, because as of right now, I don't think we're taking dirt bikes across this. All right, what's up guys? Travis here with Every Single Sunday. I'm with my buddy Eric today. We are out here driving up to Big Bear right now, kind of just sitting here hanging out, a little bit of traffic. Not sure what's going on, but we're loaded up. It's early season. As you can see, there's snow all over the place still. Lake's pretty full. And we're out here in Big Bear, gonna go hit up the first half of the dual sport ride from last year. So we're gonna check it out and see what the trails are like today, see what's open, see what's closed, and should be a damn good time. Anyway. So this is basically the start of the trail. This is Gold Mountain here. Gonna work our way up this fly road for just a little bit. And once we get up into here, we'll come up into a stair section, some little rocky sections, and there's all sorts of cool stuff to play on. So, man, it is a perfect day up here right now. Weather is killer, probably right about 60 degrees, sunny. I'm in the front so I don't have to eat any dust. Give this guy a little bit of room here to give us some room to pass. I don't want to throw any rocks up on him. All right, so Eric got up at no problem. Brett had a little bobble there, nothing too bad. Second little stair section here. Not the cleanest I've made it up and down this thing, but not too difficult at all. So got Brett coming up here on his 250. Looking good, man, looking good.
Not as direct as you.
And we got Eric back here riding his struggle bus, aka the 500. Send it! There we go, close enough. Oh God, oh God. He's on, almost. Yeah, buddy. Working it up them rocks. We'll follow these guys for a little bit. ride about a year ago is the day I actually met Eric out here, the guy riding the Husky with us. I came up here just to kind of check out the Big Bear ride and see what it was about. Didn't have a GPS or anything, and ended up meeting those guys as I was walking around the car parking lot, and ended up hooking up with them. They're like, oh shit, come ride with us tomorrow, it's fine. They're saying they're not that fast or anything. Thank you, brother. Last one. And yeah, so met him, actually became a good friend. We ride together quite a bit now. And yeah, it's been cool. So last year he was really struggling on this stuff. We've taken him out, got him a little bit better of a rider, a lot better of a rider now. And you can see him up on the pegs while I'm sitting down back here. And yeah, he's getting through the stuff no problem at all. Last year it was a mess coming through here. Almost had to call a helicopter for him. So we're basically part way up Gold Mountain right now. Just stop and take a little breather here. How you guys feeling so far?
Good.
Good, one thumbs up, close enough. Hell yeah, trails are in good shape. It's so nice out today. What is it out here? It's 60 degrees on the dot right now, 5 miles into this thing. So, but yeah, it's fun being out here. We got this Trail Tech Voyager Pro, and we mapped out our ride here. So you can see this yellow line that we're on right here is today's ride, and this darker line is the one we're following. So we're going to be going up around here, around the lake, that way, and then we're going to hop onto route number 2. So basically it's all mapped out for us from the guys that put on the Big Bear Trail ride. So we'll be coming out here in June to do that one, and just kind of doing some recce work, seeing if there's any snow, and seeing if the trails are rideable. Heard some spots like Deep Creek you can't even get through right now, but guess we'll figure that out when we get there. So all right, you guys ready?
Yep.
Let's do it. All right, so Brett's taking the left line. Which way you want to go? All right, follow you. All right, so Eric doesn't know, but he picked the way harder way right now. So this is a section I like to call, I don't know, Carl's Jr., I guess. It's kind of like Carl's Diner from the hard enduro stuff that you watch on like Harrisburg and like that. So what's up, buddy? You went the harder way. So this is Carl's Jr., and it's not that difficult, just a bunch of loose shaly rocks here. Oh God, he's off the bike. And yeah, just one of the cool spots you get here when you come up to Big Bear. So you can actually go down this side over the edge, and it's a lot bigger, more looser, unridden rock still. Oh God, turning is the fun stuff in here. All right, made it through. So yeah, you can make that as hard or as easy as you want. So it's some good stuff to come play on for sure. Option line did I just take? Oh man, you got it. Go up that thing.
Start over.
All right.
We might have trouble getting from ass to feet.
There we go. Get on up that thing. Keep rolling. Keep rolling. You got this. Just remember, stand up, keep your weight back, and you'll be fine. We're gonna go down right on the top of this thing here. We'll work a little harder line. Same over here. Oh, yeah. That's crazy with how far Eric's come over the last year, not even a year. We started riding together. He's put a lot of time in, a lot of effort, and has gone a long way. I mean, the first time through here, I think he was paddling feet down all the way over all these rocks and looking like a total squid. This is the fun part of John Bull right here. All right, Eric, you got this? What's tracking, dude?
Doing good, so right back there.
You got it, man. Just keep that momentum rolling, remember. Brett going for the paddling technique, walking it up there. All right, so we're gonna run this thing up here. Nice little double there over the rocks at the end. That was cool. This one's not that steep. It's just some good sized boulders. Oh man, you got to wheelie across that. That's a little sketchy right there from the stop. We hit it with a little bit of speed and jumped up it with the front end. Yeah, buddy, woo! Hell yeah. That was freaking sick. So, up through the first rock garden on John Bull here. Brett's going for it. We were changing the GoPro battery. We're gonna lug this 300 up this hill today. And we're coming into another rock garden here, and I'm seeing somebody's bike. It'll be the Brett. Let's see what he's doing here. Struggling a little bit on this one, got hung up on a rock. Huh, what is the line to take through here? Not too bad right there, not too bad at all. I don't know if that could have gotten any harder there. Struggling now. All right, so we are here on John Bull still. We kind of just crested the top of the peak, and now we're just kind of cruising. Starting to find a little more snow on the trail here. getting a little chillier as we climb in elevation, but the trail is still in awesome shape. You can make it through there. Go up this way and we'll see how far you can make it, all right? Oh, there's not. Oh man. He didn't make it very far at all. Scary thing about snow is you do not know what's under there. I feel like I want out all of a sudden. We're sinking. Yeah, probably 2-3 feet deep still right there. Get back on this brown stuff that I know and like. So we're still out here. It's about 12 o'clock. Just for reference, we have gone 12 miles. It's up to 56 degrees now, and we're still on Route 1 here. I think there's 8 total. So it looks like we're about a third the way through the first loop here. And like I said, there's 8 of these things. We're probably gonna do 3 or 4 of them today, so we'll see how it goes. Oh yeah, definitely a little bit more snow on the trail as you get deeper in here. Nothing that's impassable right now, and that's a part of today's journey. You're gonna see what you guys can come up here and ride at Big Bear already. Try and get some good footage of Brett riding for a little bit. If you guys go back to our first John Bull Gold Mountain video, that was the day Brett bought this 250, and the way he's riding today is a lot different than how he was riding that first day on it. So, still on John Bull here. This is the section we saw the pictures of. This used to not be so rocky and loose, but I think the rain really helped make it challenging again, or semi-challenging, whatever you want to call it, more challenging. There's a tree in the trail. There's definitely a tree in the trail right here. Still sketchy, right? He's going around the creek, I'm going through it. Because in California, we don't get a ride in the water very often, so there's a little bit I'm going to take. And that's all we get for 2020. This is so cool working this GPS up here and having these bitchin' trails laid out by the Big Bear Trail Riders Club from last year. Really looking forward to doing the ride this year. I believe it's June 21st or 22nd, something like that. Weekend after Father's Day. It's a Saturday event, and one of my favorite rides of the year. I've only done it once before, and we didn't actually finish it. Had some issues, but this year planning on sailing right through it, hopefully. But it is 200 and something miles, so definitely not an easy day on the bike. It's a long day on the bike, even though there's a lot of this kind of stuff, some fire roadie, a couple tech sections, but uh-oh, somebody's not having a good day up here. You guys need a little bit of manpower?
Well, we got an extra shovel.
What's that?
If you have an extra shovel.
I don't. Is that thing just totally high-centered or what?
Yeah, we got mud kicked up on my axle.
Oh, shit.
Bottomed it out.
Jeep's not pulling it out?
No, that thing's not moving.
Too much mud on the axle.
And I'm spinning wheels.
Yeah. All right, well, best of luck to you.
Yeah.
Have fun and fuck. So, brought this with us. This is lemon lime cherry red flavor, and Two Strokes love this stuff, so we're just gonna pop this open, top it off. You want to sip?
Nope.
It's good.
No, I'm good.
It's cherry limeade.
I prefer orange.
Orange, all right. So it matches your bike. I don't know about this 250, man. It's just everything she's got right there. I can see it being a fun bike to go cruise and trail ride on if you didn't want to get in a little, any trouble here. How we doing?
Good. How are you?
I'm all right. There's a truck stuck in the road like half a mile down trying to get pulled out, just so you know.
Oh.
So basically it's really deep single track and they're high centered in the center. So he's got a Jeep hooked up to him, but if you're planning on getting through this way, you're not gonna make it. So, all right, have a good one. Oh man, we got some rocks. I think it rained a little bit right here. I didn't even realize there's a river at the end of it there. I'm glad I didn't fall in that part. That would have been fun. Eric still hasn't realized it. Hey, there's water right there. Oh God. Woo, good job, man. Trying to stand up. Hey, you should probably be pretty happy that was there. Yeah, that log pretty much just fucking saved you.
Yeah, it would have been a little worse, huh?
Yeah. Hey, look, my bike fell over.
Stalled it right
Yeah, good job, Tiger. Yeah! Man, he almost had a bad crash back there.
What?
He fell to the right, like in a thing like this, and luckily there's a log, and the log caught him and his bike from going down into a ditch. Gonna park it here for a second. I'll let Eric figure out what he's doing. Oh God, oh God. work the RPMs on those 250s, man. Keep them moving. Hell yeah. Guys are killing it today. Get a group to ride with. Get a nice little shot of our boy here. Yeah, yeah. Go for this middle line here. Try and challenge ourselves a little bit. Alright, so this part of the trail is getting a little rockier now. Not what I would call challenging by any means, but just a little bit more shale through here. Oh, that nice little water crossing. Yeah, which way are we going through here? Let's work it down this way. Oh God. Downhill, through the rocks, and a river. I fucking love it. Oh yeah. Pump, pump, pump it up. This is awesome, man. Woo, wet tires on slick rocks. I love it. Oh God, oh God. Oh no, he's spraying us! Ah, stop! Get you guys wiped off then. He's almost through there, guys. He's gonna get it. Nursing her along. I'm up off my pegs, walking on these rocks myself today. Hell yeah. That was awesome.
It was like dirt bike rock climbing.
Yeah, buddy. So, Brett, did you ever see the picture of where I smashed my finger last year and my fingernail came off?
Yes.
That is the downside of this. So we're going to climb up, and then as we start cresting down, I thought it was Billy Badass and went charging down the mountain as fast as I could. And 3/4 of the way down, I went, you know, I should probably slow down a little bit because I'm going to hurt myself. Slowed down. Then I hit the rock. Suspension didn't cycle as much, and that's what made me crash.
So basically,
Charge
watch
it.
your fingers.
Well, that's why I run guards now.
I mean, because these fingers, they're pretty important.
Wow.
Yeah.
I can smell that from here. Awesome view up here right now. We'll let Brett go ahead. You go for it, man. Make Eric eat some dust for a little bit still. I like having someone in front of me. Makes the video a little more fun, something else to watch besides. Woo! Besides me and my front fender occasionally. He's getting loose, getting loose. Big drop. Charging this one, huh? pretty close to the top here. Sorry, I had to concentrate there. Pretty close to the top, and working our way around the backside now. Just trying to keep my eyes on the road here. Almost went down pretty hard some rocks a little bit ago. These rocks, you just got to keep your momentum up and pick a line. Sometimes you got to aim for the bigger ones. And then you see them start moving around in front of you, getting kicked up by somebody else, and that just makes it more fun. So we're heading down into Deep Creek right now. Not sure what this trail is called, but we're following Eric here, so get a little bit of footage of him today. He's been riding behind our other buddy there, Brett, for a little bit most of the day, so we get to get some Eric riding here. And for how much rain we've had out here, it is loose already. This stuff is like riding in some kitty litter before the kitty goes and visits it. Uh-oh. They're getting foot down right there, getting a little loose with an exposure on this one. And I suck at dirt bikes. See Brett down there already. Hopefully Brett's not pushing too hard up there, because you come around one of these corners and trail might just take off down into that gully down there. But yeah, this trail is so much fun. This is when I first started riding a couple years ago. My buddy Aaron brought me up here. We actually ran it, holy fuck, that was a big branch. Ran it the other way, and it was right after some rain, so it was all really khaki, it wasn't so dusty, and yeah, it was kind of blew my mind and got me reignited on riding dirt bikes again. Woo! Can't see. And this is coming into the Deep Creek crossing right here, so let's see if we can get through this thing today. Everyone else telling us it's impassable last week. That's the regular way I go over there. This. Oh, wow. That is a lot deeper than it was in the past. Normally we come out to what, about here? And then I think that the creek goes right this way, right? Yeah, normally we go straight through right here to the other side. And that's got to be what, 7 or 9 feet deep, maybe 12?
I'd say probably closer to 7.
Yeah, definitely 12 feet. All right, guys, so we're here at Deep Creek. And this is where we normally cross right here. We normally come right down this area here. And we come out this way and end up right over there. But today we have about 14 feet of water here to cross. So I'm going to give you a first-hand view of what's going on down there. We live. Whoa, Eric with a good little spot right there. Almost taking his bike off the trail. Oh God. Trying to destroy the trail now. If anyone else is watching this and can't get up, it's his fault. Oh God. He just tried to push his bike up the rest of the trail and just like cut the rest of the trail out for everyone else.
Well, I'm glad he did it because I didn't want to hike back there.